Can you guess all 10 animals? It is big, white, and loves ice. What is it? 3, 2, 1.
Is it a snow monster?
No, it's a polar bear. It walks funny and slides. 3, 2, 1. Is it a duck? Nope, it's a penguin. It claps and swims. 3, 2, 1. Is it a fish? No, it's a seal. It is small and very fluffy. 3, 2. Is it a dog? Nope, it's an Arctic fox. It is a baby seal. 3, 2, 1. Is it a snowball? Ah, it's a seal ball. It has big tusks. 3, 2, 1. Is it an elephant? No, it's a walrus. It is huge and swims deep. 3, 2, 1. Is it a submarine? No, it's a whale. It can fly and see at night. 3, 2, 1. Is it an eagle? Nope, it's a snowy owl. It has antlers and runs fast. 3, 2, 1. Is it a horse? No, it's a reindeer. Splash, splash. What animal is swimming? It's a fish. And this, it's a seal. It swims in cold water. 3, 2, 1. Is it a snake? Nope, it's a fish. Good Jackie. Wow, you are amazing. You found them all. Yay, we did it. Polar bear, penguin, seal, Arctic fox, walrus, whale, snowy owl, reindeer, fish, seal pup. Watch again and beat your score.